Welcome to Terapage. In this video, we'll explore the Combined Responses feature in Terapage. This feature allows you to review participant responses in a single, organized view, making analysis faster and more efficient. First, make sure you've selected your workspace and study. You can access this activity from two locations on the researcher side: Data and Reports and Research Activities. In this video, we'll open the activity and navigate to its responses. Next, open the responses for your desired research activity. At the top of the page, you'll see two tabs: Individual Responses and Combined Responses. The Individual Responses tab allows you to review each participant's response separately. To view responses in a consolidated view, click on Combined Responses. Once the page opens, you'll see the list of participants who have submitted responses. Select any participant to review their response. At the top right, click All Comments to view all comments related to the selected activity in one place. Next is Talk to Your Data, where you can ask AI questions about your collected responses and quickly generate insights. The Hide Annotations button lets you show or hide annotations within the response. If you want to download the responses, click Export. Now, let's go through the available tabs. The Document tab displays the participant's original submitted response. The Review Summary tab provides a brief summary of the participant's submission. The AI Summary tab generates an AI-powered overview of the response. Next, open the AI Analysis tab. Here, AI automatically analyzes participant responses and presents them in an organized format. You can view demographic distribution, sentiment analysis, sentiment distribution, participant reviews overview, quotes analysis, AI excerpts, and taxonomies, helping you quickly identify trends and key insights from your research data. The Manual Insight tab allows researchers to add their own observations and notes. Finally, the Word Cloud tab displays the most frequently used words in the responses, helping you quickly identify common themes. This is how you can use the Combined Responses feature in Terapage to efficiently review, analyze, and export participant responses. Thanks for watching.